Understanding PaaS, SaaS, and IaaS. Objective: by the end of this tutorial, you will have a clear understanding of the differences between PaaS, SaaS, and IaaS and how they contribute to the overall functionality of cloud. Understanding PaaS, SaaS, and IaaS in cloud is crucial for several reasons. 1. Efficient resource allocation. By understanding the differences between PaaS, SaaS, and IaaS, organizations can effectively allocate their resources based on their specific needs. This ensures that they are utilizing the cloud services optimally and not overspending on unnecessary infrastructure or software. 2. Scalability and flexibility. PaaS, SaaS, and IaaS offer different levels of scalability and flexibility. Knowing which service model to choose allows organizations to scale their resources up or down as needed, ensuring they can meet changing demands without any disruptions. 3. Cost optimization. Cloud offers a pay-as-you-go model, where organizations only pay for the resources they use. Understanding PaaS, SaaS, and IaaS helps organizations choose the most cost-effective service model for their specific requirements, avoiding unnecessary expenses. 4. Enhanced productivity. PaaS and SaaS models provide pre-built tools and applications that can significantly enhance productivity. By understanding these service models, organizations can leverage ready-to-use software and platforms, reducing development time and effort. 5. Strategic decision-making. Understanding PaaS, SaaS, and IaaS empowers organizations to make informed decisions about their cloud strategy. They can choose the right service model based on their business goals, technical requirements, and budget, ensuring they are maximizing the benefits of cloud. In summary, understanding PaaS, SaaS, and IaaS in cloud is essential for efficient resource allocation, scalability, cost optimization, enhanced productivity, and strategic decision-making. It enables organizations to leverage the full potential of cloud and achieve their business objectives effectively. Define PaaS, Platform as a Service, and its purpose in cloud. PaaS, Platform as a Service, in cloud is a cloud computing model that provides a platform for developers to build, test, and deploy applications without the need to manage underlying infrastructure. Examples of PaaS services in Azure include: 1. Azure App Service, a fully managed platform that allows developers to build, deploy, and scale web and mobile applications easily. It supports popular programming languages and frameworks like .NET, Java, Node, JS, Python, and more. 2. Azure Functions, a serverless compute service that enables developers to run code in response to events or triggers. It allows for the development of event-driven, scalable, and cost-efficient applications without having to provision or manage servers. Benefits of PaaS. The benefits of PaaS, Platform as a Service, are as follows. 1. Scalability. PaaS allows applications to scale easily based on demand. It automatically adjusts resources to handle high traffic or spikes in usage, ensuring optimal performance and user experience. 2. Cost-effective. With PaaS, you only pay for the resources you use. There are no upfront infrastructure costs, and you can scale up or down based on demand, avoiding unnecessary expenses. 3. Simplified management. PaaS takes care of underlying infrastructure management, including server maintenance, security patches, and hardware upgrades. This allows developers to focus more on application deployment and functionality. 4. Faster time to market. By leveraging PaaS services, developers can quickly build, test, and deploy applications. It eliminates the need to manage infrastructure, reducing development time and enabling faster go-to-market strategies. 5. Integration and collaboration. PaaS provides seamless integration with other Azure services and products, enabling developers to leverage a wide range of tools and resources. It also promotes collaboration among teams by facilitating code sharing, version control, and continuous integration and deployment. Define SaaS, Software as a Service, and its role in cloud. SaaS, Software as a Service, in cloud refers to the cloud computing model that delivers software applications over the internet on a subscription basis. In this model, the software is centrally hosted and managed by the provider, and users can access and use the software through web browser or client applications without the need for installation or maintenance. The role of SaaS in cloud is to provide users with ready-to-use software applications that can be accessed from any device with an internet connection. Azure Cloud offers a range of SaaS solutions, including productivity and collaboration tools like Office 365, customer relationship management, CRM, software like Dynamics 365, and development tools like Azure DevOps. Examples of SaaS applications include: 1. Office 365, a suite of productivity tools that includes popular applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and more. Users can access these applications online and collaborate in real time, making it easy to create, edit, and share documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and emails. 2. Dynamics 365, a comprehensive set of enterprise resource planning, ERP, and customer relationship management, CRM, applications. It covers various business functions such as sales, marketing, customer service, finance, and operations. Dynamics 365 helps organizations streamline processes, enhance customer engagement, and make data-driven decisions. 3. Azure DevOps, a set of development tools that facilitate planning, coding, testing, and deployment of software applications. It includes services like Azure Boards for project management, Azure Repos for version control, Azure Pipelines for continuous integration and deployment, and Azure Test Plans for testing. 4. Azure Active Directory, Azure AD, a cloud-based identity and access management service that provides single sign-on, SSO, capabilities, multi-factor authentication, MFA, and user provisioning and management. It enables secure access to various SaaS applications and simplifies the management of user identities. 5. Azure Machine Learning, a cloud-based service. Benefits of SaaS, software as a service, include 1. Easy accessibility. SaaS applications are accessible over the internet, allowing users to access and use the software from any device with an internet connection. This convenience enables users to work from anywhere, promoting flexibility and productivity. 2. Automatic updates. SaaS providers handle software updates and maintenance on the back end, ensuring that users always have access to the latest features and security patches. These updates are typically automatic and seamless, eliminating the need for manual installations or disruptions to productivity. 3. Cost effectiveness. SaaS follows a subscription-based model, where users pay a regular fee for accessing and using the software. This approach eliminates the need for upfront hardware and software purchases and reduces costs associated with installation, maintenance, and upgrades. Additionally, users can easily scale up or down their subscription based on their changing needs, providing cost flexibility. 4. Scalability and flexibility. SaaS applications are built to scale, meaning they can adapt to the needs of individual users or organizations. As the user base or workload increases, the application can scale resources accordingly, ensuring optimal performance and user experience. This scalability allows businesses to grow without worrying about infrastructure limitations. 5. Reduced IT complexity. With SaaS, organizations can offload. Define IaaS, infrastructure as a service, and its significance in cloud. IaaS, infrastructure as a service, in cloud refers to a cloud computing model where virtualized infrastructure resources, such as virtual machines, storage, and networking, are provided over the internet. In this model, users have control over the operating system, runtime environment, and applications, while the cloud provider is responsible for the underlying hardware and infrastructure. The significance of IaaS in cloud lies in its ability to provide organizations with flexible and scalable infrastructure resources without the need for upfront capital investment or hardware management. Examples of IaaS offerings in cloud include 1. Azure Virtual Machines allows users to create virtual machines that cater to their specific computing requirements. Users have control over the operating system, application environment, and other configurations on these virtual machines, providing flexibility and scalability. 2. Azure Virtual Networks enables users to create isolated virtual networks in Azure. Users can define their network topology, configure subnets, and control network traffic using network security groups and virtual private networks, VPNs. This offering allows organizations to extend their on-premises network infrastructure to the cloud securely. 3. Azure Blob Storage provides a scalable and cost-effective solution for storing and managing unstructured data. Users can store and access large amounts of data in the form of blobs, which can be accessed globally and integrated with other Azure services. 4. Azure Load Balancer distributes incoming network traffic across multiple virtual machines to ensure high availability and optimal performance. Users can set up load balancers to distribute traffic based on various algorithms and manage network traffic efficiently. 5. Azure SQL Database offers a fully managed relational database service in the cloud. Users can provision and scale databases according to their needs, and Azure takes care of managing backups, patching, and maintaining the database infrastructure. Benefits of IaaS, infrastructure as a service, include 1. Full control over the infrastructure. IaaS gives users complete control over the underlying infrastructure, including virtual machines, storage, networking, and operating systems. This level of control allows organizations to customize and configure their infrastructure to meet specific requirements and implement security measures as needed. 2. Flexibility. IaaS provides the flexibility to scale resources up or down based on demand. This scalability allows businesses to accommodate fluctuations in workloads, handle peak periods, and scale their infrastructure as their needs evolve. Organizations can easily add or remove resources as required without any physical limitations. 3. Cost savings. By adopting IaaS in cloud, organizations can save costs on infrastructure setup and maintenance. They can avoid upfront hardware investments and instead pay for only the resources they use on a pay-as-you-go model. IaaS also eliminates the expenses associated with maintaining and upgrading physical infrastructure. 4. Rapid provisioning. IaaS enables quick and easy provisioning of infrastructure resources. Organizations can rapidly deploy virtual machines, storage, and networks, reducing the time and effort required to get a new infrastructure up and running. This agility allows businesses to respond quickly to changing market demands and accelerate their time to market. 5. Disaster recovery. With IaaS, organizations can achieve complete recovery from disaster. Differences between PaaS, SaaS, and IaaS. 1. Purpose. PaaS, Platform as a Service, provides a platform for developers to build, test, and deploy applications without worrying about infrastructure management. SaaS, Software as a Service, delivers software applications over the internet, allowing users to access and use them without installation or maintenance. IaaS, Infrastructure as a Service, offers virtualized infrastructure resources, such as virtual machines, storage, and networking, over the internet. 2. Responsibility. PaaS, the cloud provider manages the underlying infrastructure, while the user focuses on application development and deployment. SaaS, the cloud provider handles all aspects, including infrastructure, software, and maintenance. IaaS, the user has more responsibility, managing the virtual machines, storage, and networks, while the cloud provider manages the physical infrastructure. 3. Customizability. PaaS offers a high level of customization, allowing users to tailor the platform to meet specific requirements. SaaS offers limited to no customization, as users have limited control over the software application. IaaS provides complete control over the infrastructure, allowing for high customization and flexibility. Scenarios where each cloud service model is most suitable. 1. PaaS, Platform as a Service, scenario, developing and deploying a web application. Suitable Azure PaaS service, Azure App Service. It provides a fully managed platform for building, deploying, and scaling web applications, with support for various programming languages and frameworks. 2. SaaS, Software as a Service, scenario, implementing a customer relationship management (CRM) system. Suitable Azure SaaS service, Dynamics 365. It offers a comprehensive CRM solution that covers sales, marketing, customer service, and more, with easy accessibility, automatic updates, and integration capabilities. 3. IaaS, Infrastructure as a Service, scenario, migrating an existing on-premises workload to the cloud. Suitable Azure IaaS service, Azure Virtual Machines. It allows you to create and manage virtual machines in the cloud, giving you full control over the operating system, runtime environment, and applications, making it suitable for hosting legacy applications or workload migration. 4. PaaS, Platform as a Service, scenario, building and deploying serverless functions for event-driven applications. Suitable Azure PaaS service, Azure Functions. It enables developers to focus solely on writing code for event triggers or events. Real-world examples of PaaS, SaaS, and IaaS. 1. PaaS, Platform as a Service, example, Heroku. It is a PaaS provider that allows developers to build, deploy, and manage applications without worrying about infrastructure. Developers can focus on coding and application logic, while Heroku handles the underlying infrastructure, scalability, and deployment. 2. SaaS, Software as a Service, example, Salesforce. It is a popular SaaS CRM, customer relationship management, platform that offers tools for sales, marketing, and customer service. Customers can access Salesforce through a web browser and leverage its features without needing to install or maintain any software. 3. IaaS, Infrastructure as a Service, example, Amazon Web Services, AWS, Elastic Compute Cloud, EC2. It is an IaaS offering that provides virtual servers in the cloud. Users can launch and manage virtual machines, customize the networking and storage, and have full control over the operating system and applications running on the virtual servers. Summary points. 1. PaaS, Platform as a Service, provides a platform for developers to build, deploy, and manage applications without worrying about infrastructure management. Point 2. SaaS, Software as a Service, offers ready-to-use software applications accessible over the internet, eliminating the need for installation or maintenance. Point 3. IaaS, Infrastructure as a Service, provides virtualized computing resources, including virtual machines, storage, and networks, giving users full control over the infrastructure. Point 4. PaaS is ideal for developers, SaaS is suitable for end users, and IaaS offers flexibility and control for IT professionals. Point 5. Understanding the differences between PaaS, SaaS, and IaaS helps organizations choose the right service model based on their requirements, reducing costs and improving efficiency in Azure cloud. Thanks for watching.